Hello and welcome back. Today I'm doing gel nail polish at home. Basically, how I take my nail polish off, the old one, prep my nails for painting, and then my system and nail polish that I'm using currently and really thoroughly enjoy. This is by the brand Gel Care, and this is the color I'm painting today. This one right here. It's so pretty. So let's jump in. And I want to share with you guys how I do gel nail polish at home. I think this is good for beginners, if you're already experienced with your own nails, but I enjoy this brand because they're free of a lot of stuff and you don't need to have a license to purchase their products, which is amazing. I'm not working with them. This is just what I wanted to share because this is what I use currently and I'm really enjoying how the colors look on my nails, how they last, the quality, everything, and the process is so phenomenal. So let's jump in. This is before and this is after. It's like a really pretty, vibrant jelly pink. It's a jelly nail, so it's a little transparent, but really pretty. So it's by this brand, Gel Care. I bought them last year, and I've been really enjoying them. They're a 10 free, which means they're somewhat of a cleaner brand. They're 10.9, 9.10 for the base coat, and then the top coat is 10 free. It's kind of cool, but I'll be using their brand for pretty much everything because I really like their products. All right, step one, remove the old gel nail polish. This one is gone, but let's remove the other ones. I'm gonna very carefully buff off the first layer and then put some acetone. I'm just removing that shiny layer. There you can see, shiny, matte. I'm gonna do this to all the nails. All right, next step. I'm kind of doing like the old traditional method of soaking my nails in acetone with pads and aluminum foil. But the one secret that I've learned recently is to use cuticle oil on top of your acetone to make sure your skin, your cuticles, your nails, it's not gonna be as dry and disgusting. So first soak a pad with your gel remover or solution remover. And then I'm gonna take my cuticle oil, just any kind of cuticle oil. I'm gonna soak it a little bit, just like so. And just do the old method. There we go. Gotta go get Elodie. She's crying. All right, I'm gonna wait 10 minutes before I look and start removing this with my tool, this one right here. And it's just gonna gently scrape off the gel that's ready to come off. Next step, I'm just taking alcohol and just cleaning off the nails before I do the cuticle softener, just to kind of get rid of some of that nail dust and whatever. This is the cuticle softener that I'm using. Honestly, you can use anything, but I bought it from the same brand. Like I said, I really like this brand. Haven't had any issues with them, and they do a great job. Like all the products work for my nails. I'm just going around the cuticle and I'm gonna let it sit for like 30 seconds before I start pushing my cuticles back and cleaning up my nail bed. Okay, so now that they're clean, I'm gonna look and see if I have to fix any of my shape in this nail. It needs to get fixed. I'm using the finer grit now. And I find that when I place my hand, kind of not like this, but like this also, but like this, I can kind of see the shape of the nail better. It's a little bit easier to fix that way. Taking some alcohol again And this time with a clean pad, I'm just really cleaning the surface of my nails after the filing, just to get the dust off before I start painting. And I'm just looking at my nail shape again, making sure I'm happy with what it's looking like. Cleaning up again, making sure to clean underneath as well, to sure there's no extra stuff. Okay, we're good. We're ready to paint. Like I said, I'm using the gel care system, the base coat, the color, and then the top coat. Again, I like this system and I like their products. I like that they're somewhat cleaner, but what I like about this, the actual nail polish products, they're so easy to work with. The base coat, it's nice and thin and it's not goopy. Making sure to clean off both sides. I'm gonna start working, ooh, I broke that nail. I'm gonna start working one nail at a time. Let me fix that one before I start painting. Again, I'm just cleaning off both sides, making sure it's very, very thin coats of everything. So again, I'm facing the nail towards me, kind of starting in the middle, and then push it back towards the cuticle. And just very gently start working this. And again, very, very thin coats. You might think there's not enough, but there will be. And then I'm gonna cure each nail the very first time for 5 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna continue. I'm not dipping back in, I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. Do the same thing. Again, putting both of them in now for 5 seconds. I'm gonna continue this till I'm ready to cure for the full 60 seconds. All right, ready for our color. Like I said, this is what I'm using, jelly in pink, and it's really cool. It's kind of like a jelly consistency, but it's also somewhat transparent, as you can see. That's kind of the whole look to it, the vibe. But I'm gonna do kind of the same thing besides curing each nail for 5 seconds. I'm just gonna work in very, very thin coats. I'm gonna do every nail and then cure for 60 for each coat. And I'm really taking my time here to be as clean and as precise as possible so I don't have as much cleanup after. This is what it looks like with the first coat. Let's cure it for 60 seconds. Alrighty, last but not least, for the curing, we have top coat. And this one is thicker than the base coat or the colors. So I do like to make sure to take as much of it off as possible. I find that this cures the best and my nails look the best. Not forgetting the free edge. I'm gonna cure this for double, which is 120 seconds. Last but not least, I do want to take that sticky layer off. I'm just going to take the same pad with alcohol, not acetone. This is just straight up alcohol. This is just going to remove that sticky layer and clean up anything around the cuticles if I need to. Okay. And then because we've used alcohol many times, and amongst other things, last but not least, cuticle oil. This is gonna be a lot less than what I used when I was taking my nail polish off. And really massage the oil in there. smells so good too. This is what the nails look like. They look very jelly, really pretty. They're a little bit transparent. They're not completely opaque, but that's kind of the look of this style, the nail polish. And I just like the way it looks on my fingernails. Super pretty. It's very smooth. There's no streaks. Very smooth. All right, you guys, thank you for joining me and doing my gel nail polish at home. I think it's so simple, but I really enjoy this brand. And this is the first time I'm using this color, and it's their jelly version in pink. And I like it a lot, but I do enjoy their products. On my toes, I'm currently wearing Kelly Green, which if you look up the color, it is so, so beautiful. Very opaque, but I'll definitely show you a picture of what the color looks like. It's so stunning. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.